Hello, and welcome to the MD Saqibul Islam channel. Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of bubble tea. Bubble tea, also known as pearl milk tea or boba tea, is a popular drink that originated in Taiwan in the 1980s. It's made by mixing tea with milk or fruit juice, and adding chewy tapioca pearls, also called bubbles or boba, to the mixture. There are many potential health benefits to drinking bubble tea. For one, it's a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your body against damage from free radicals and lower your risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. The tea itself is rich in antioxidants, and the tapioca pearls are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which can provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. Another potential benefit of bubble tea is that it may help to improve digestion. The tapioca pearls in bubble tea are made from cassava root, which is high in dietary fiber. This can help to keep your digestion regular and prevent constipation. Bubble tea also hydrates you, as it contains water. Additionally, it's a low-calorie drink, and can be a good option for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. It's worth noting that, like with any food or drink, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and the ingredients used in making bubble tea. For example, bubble teas can be high in sugar, so it's best to choose a tea with low sugar or sweeten it with healthier options. So, those are just a few of the potential benefits of bubble tea. We hope this video has helped you to understand a little more about this popular drink and its potential health benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.